guys, what's up? It's your girl Donnell. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this beautiful Easter themed centerpiece. Check that out. Super cute, isn't it? Stay watching and I will be right back. Alright guys, let's dive into this video. With this balloon centerpiece, I will be using my base. And so somewhere in the description box, I'm going to have a link if you need to pick up one of these balloon stands. Alright, so this is a fun Easter design and perfect right in time for the holidays, right? I have a few things already, and my paper shred came from the Dollar Tree, and my decorative mesh came from the Dollar Tree, and my Easter eggs also came from the Dollar Tree, as well as my balloon. The only thing that did not come from the Dollar Tree is my stand. Alright, base is very simple and easy to attach. There's a hole right here and you're just gonna slide it right into that. Very simple. And then we have the top part that's gonna be secured right there. Use my yellow shredded paper at the bottom. And now it's time to put my balloon stand inside. I'm going to inflate my balloon, and I like to give it 32 pumps. So if you're using one of these handheld balloons, the balloon blowers, just about 32 pumps. Now it's time to secure it on the holder. It's very easy. You're just gonna hook it right there. So there's a little section right there on your holder. You will see, just gonna hook it right on there. So slide it through, and that's it. Okay, my Deco Mesh came from the Dollar Tree, as I mentioned earlier. Pretty much, I'm just wrapping it through and gathering it up. That's all I'm gonna do. No particular order to this. Nothing fussy about this. Okay, so now I'm going to just adjust this so that my mesh is placed properly inside. I'm just adjusting. So you just simply adjust to your liking. That's all you're doing. There you have it. I have a beautiful Easter themed centerpiece, and it's super simple and affordable. Everything is from the Dollar Tree except for the base. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you don't miss out on my videos when I upload them. Remember, life is totally what you make of it. Always has been, always will be. Until next time, ciao.